section, maybe the other group of students would have got. Again, here it is of two areas. Just to finish it in 2-3 minutes. If we have your class next class, we can leave, no problem, right? So let us just consider this is 1, this is 2, and since by symmetry observation of that itself, I could say its location. So one symmetry axis, YG axis. So in this x bar is 0, unlike in the previous problem. In this case, it is x bar 0. And from AB, I should get my y bar. So that would be located where it is 56, and this, if this is only triangle, it is at 28. Since this portion also is there, you would have your value can be calculated. Maybe that will be somewhere here. That is my xg axis, and that is given by y bar value. So I have to find out now y bar in this case. Like previous case, we found out x bar. So y bar would be sigma aiyi by sigma ai. So this is a1 y1 plus a2 y2. Here it's plus because it's addition by a1 plus a2. So you can substitute the value. What is a1? It is 72 into 56 into y1 is 28. So y1 is centered of this triangle. So that is 56 by 2 plus a2 half into b 72 into height 84 into y2. y2 is 56 plus 1/3 of this. So 56 plus 1/3 of this height 84 by 3. All divided by total area, that is 72 into 56 plus half into 72 into 84. So this solves for the value of 52 mm. So y bar is 52 mm. After getting this, again, like in the previous case, like how did you substitute and solve? The same way you can solve for IXG and IYG. So IXG is about this axis, So IXG will be IXG1 plus A1 into DY1 square plus IXG2 plus A2 into dy2 square. So in this dy1 and dy2 you have to get it. What is dy1? It is y1 minus y bar modulus. What is y1? y1 is 28. So 28 minus y bar 52. So that would be equal to 24 mm. What is distance between other two axes, y2 axis and x2 axis and xg axis is dy2. So that would be y2 minus y bar. So y2 would be 56 plus 1/3 of this height, that is this here. So 56 plus 1/3 of this, how much it is? 84, right? So 84 minus 52. So you get that's equal to 32 mm. 32 mm. So once we have this, is a mere substitution here. IXG1 is for a rectangle, you know about its central axis, BD cube by 12. So B here is 72 into 56 cube by 12 plus 72 into 56 into the distance dy1 is 24 square. So this is its first moment of rectangle about xg axis plus first moment of triangle about xg axis. So that would be for a triangle about its own central axis is bh cube by 36. So b is 72, h is 84 cube by 36 plus half into 72 into 84 into dy2, that is 32 square. So this would solve for IXG. I leave it to you to solve. And then what is IYG? IYG is again to be done carefully. IYG would be, formula is IYG1 plus A1 into DX1 square plus IYG2 plus A2 into DX2 square. So now, as far as this triangle is concerned, this is my vertical axis. I have to consider a half side of the triangle. This is right angle triangle. 2 times of that. So I will have to put here 2. So about YG axis to get, I will have, this is my Y2 axis, right? And this is my symmetry axis, of course. So this width is how much now? It is 36. And height is, of course, same as 84. So I can substitute now here. So what is my dx1, dx2 here? So dx1 is x1 minus x bar. So what is x1? X1 is, for a rectangle, 0. X bar is 0, so that's 0. So this term is 0. dx2 is x2 minus x bar. What is x2? From here, this distance, 1/3 of 36, that is 12, minus 0. So it is 12 mm. So you would have this term here. So now I would be substituting here. Iyg1 is dbq by 12 now. So d is now 56 and b is 72 q by 12 plus 0. That is this first term plus 2 times of what is Iyg2. Iyg2 is for a triangle now for this, about this axis. So the parallel dimension to the axis is this height, 84 into height 36 cube by 36 plus area is half into, what is this area of this? 36 into 84, and this dx2 is 12, so 12 square. So you can solve for this and find this value. I leave it you to work out. So I get my Iyg value. So that's all. So this is how you would solve all this problem. So out of the 6 problems, everyone would have solved 3 problems, whatever was appeared for you. So you would look at your marks maybe tomorrow, and Wednesday any clarifications that can be carried out, and then it will be frozen, right? With that note, I will stop today's class. Let me stop recording.